is this?
He's a Saxon priest.
My lord, Bishop, why don't you just kill him?
Why didn't you kill me?
Because he is a great warrior.
I believe you are a Christian priest.
I am a priest, but I am also a man. I love God. I also love life.
Christian. There is only one God. He who chooses to be heathen is not innocent.
And what is it about life?
It's joy. It's pain. I have spent many years of my life.
I don't understand. What has happened?
The vision of hell. In my vision, the Lord our God spoke to me. He told me that I must renounce my sinful ways once and for all, or I would never see his divine face.
But it was just a dream.
No, you are an incredible woman, Agatha. God must have meant for us to meet. My love, I love you. I will fight for you.
To battle!
Agatha,
Fight for your
I
king!
will die
For England!
for you.
No! The hands, all ye people! Sound up to God! With the voice of triumph! God reigneth over the heathen! Turn not your sword in vain! Fight! Hold the wall!
Alas, we have suffered a most grievous loss of this great and noble man. Bishop Heahmund, he rests at peace now with God. God bless and keep him, and God bless Wessex for which he died.